Hi, this is Jithesh Sathyan. WhatsApp number +919666118829. Today we'll look more into some additional factors which are looked into from Muhurta perspective for Griha Pravesha. There is factors relating to the door, the main door direction, which can be one of the factors for consideration of selecting the appropriate nakshatra for the Griha Pravesha. So if the door is in the east, then Revati and Mrigashira are auspicious. If door is towards south, then Uttara Phalguni and Chitra are suggested. And if it is towards west, then Anuradha and Uttara Shraddha are suitable. And if it is in the north, then Bhadrapada and Revati is what is suggested. So that is how a correlation can be made with direction of the door and nakshatra. Also, whenever you are actually computing the Griha Pravesha Muhurta, you need to actually specify the exact Muhurta or the time duration during which the person needs to enter. So in that scenario, you also look into where the Lagna is when the specific event happens in terms of when the Griha Pravesha needs to happen. And at that time, the Lagna should not, when the Lagna actually is selected, along with the Lagna, we also look into where specific position of planets are there. So where Lagna should be, we discussed in the earlier talk itself that Lagna should be in Sthira Rashis. So it should be in fixed signs that we mentioned. Now, even in terms of planets and the houses they occupy, the 4th and 8th houses should not be occupied in the specific Muhurta selected for Griha Pravesha. Also, there is other factors like benefics being on first, second, third, different positions in the specific house, and malefics being in houses like third, sixth. So several factors in terms of planets, the Lagna, on what should be occupied and what should not be occupied and what should not contain anything or needs to be looked into. There is also Ravi Vichar, or what relates to the sun. So if sun is placed in specific houses also has significance. So that needs to be looked into, and that also has a correlation to the direction of the door. So if sun is placed between 2nd and 6th house, then it is not suitable for entering a house where the door is with a door in the west. So based on door direction as well as the position of sun also needs to be looked into in that specific muhurta while computing the time for Griha Pravesha. Thanks for listening.